Hi, welcome to Yoycol. Here in Yoycol, we provide reasonable shipping rates for reliable business partners. Yoycol ships over 100,000 orders worldwide each month. To ensure our customers can receive products as fast as possible, we cooperate with several excellent transport companies to give you the best shipping experience. We optimize shipping policy, different carriers to different shipping countries. Product shipping rates can be checked in shipping part from product's detail page. Click this shortcut can also lead you there. Let's take this all-over print men's pullover hoodie as an example. We can see that shipping rates are made of two parts, first rate and additional rate. The charge varies according to the region. Different regions match different prices. Please refer to your mailing address. Also, we offer standard shipping, fast shipping, and express shipping to meet your demand of timeliness. If you want to buy one hoodie which ships to US, adopting standard shipping method, your shipping rate is $10.83. If two, then $10.83 plus $6.20. $15.03 will be charged. If you want to order other products at the same time, like two hoodies and a t-shirt, then the highest price in the first item among products is taken as a base, which is $10.83. Then add other products' additional prices, so it will be $20.7. If you're a shopkeeper, you want to set a price for your product, here are some simple steps to help you set a shipping price. First, check the shipping rate of your product. Second, add a certain percentage profit to shipping rate. Third, set the shipping price according to the shipping way you choose. Notes about live shipping rates. Live rates are real-time shipping rates displayed during the order checkout. Check the shipping rate timely. This will help you to know the real-time shipping rate. Add the shipping rate you set in time to avoid unnecessary loss. Third, add a certain percentage profit to shipping rate in case you didn't find shipping rate increased. Fourth, Yoycol is in its way to work a function which can help customers sync his shipping rates with Yoycol to make shipping price setting more convenient. Please kindly wait. That's all for today's video. Put your question in the comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe.